Hey guys, it's your boy EDC Gunner, and today we have a Zippo review thanks to the courtesy of one and only Mr. Knife Tax. So here today we have Ice Diamond Plate Zippo, and I'm not the one who usually shows you a whole bunch of Zippos, but I did actually have a collection, mini collection back in the days, so I'm not totally illiterate when it comes to Zippos, and this is a just gorgeous piece. It's just beautiful, and my buddy Knife Tech sent me this one, and hey, please go and check out his channel and see if you like the videos and give him a sub. You will like the videos. If you like mine's, his are way better. But anyways, he decided to send me this one, and it's very nice. It's an Ice Diamond Plate Zippo, and there's nothing much to it to say, but to show y'all know Zippo, especially if you're still watching this one. It's a really gorgeous, and you can see why it's called Iced Diamond Plate. It looks really fantastic. I really like it, and I believe in the Zippo finishes. This is called the Silurian finish, where they have a powder and later on applied, and that's the finish. Looks, like I said, looks really fantastic. It's not completely blue. It's more of a I cannot pop out the color now, but it's leaning towards a greenish shade of blue. It's not a Facebook blue. Anyone can relate to that, but you can see I'm just showing you different angles and colors of this one, and it's a really badass Zippo. Fortunately, it's not something that I can carry every day, just because it's too dang good looking, too shiny, and I initially thought I'll be carrying this every single day, but when I see it, it's just that too shiny, and sometimes I cannot pull it off, and not that I smoke, but this is a perfect piece. This is a philosophy of use, not fancy. This is a perfect piece for collection, and just check it out. And this framed little here frame just looks stunning and magnificent in this setup like here. So you just roll it up side by side, bunch of Zippos, and this will be definitely in the top tier of your collection. It's a great piece, really cool look, finish, normal Zippo, just a different finish. It's a 2014 edition, and it's a really cool piece. And for you Zippo heads, just want to show you this piece and give a little shout out to Mr. Knife Tax. Check him out and you won't be sorry. I'm out, EDC Gunner, and thank you for watching.
Hey now! Anya.